On today's network, there are many reasons for traffic analysis that include troubleshooting, network problems, intrusions detection, and forensics. And to gain a better understanding of protocols, Wireshark is a powerful packet analysis tool where you can capture, display, and filter traffic live from a network interface. Network administrators, developers, security analysts, students, and building automation control specialists can all benefit from using Wireshark. Network administrators have long used Wireshark to monitor network traffic to resolve bottleneck issues, and it can help to build new firewall rules. A new player with Wireshark are developers. Developers can benefit from understanding protocols and application behavior. They can see how the routines behave and see if the application works they was anticipated. They can also determine if it's the application or the network that causing slow response times. Security professionals find that Wireshark is valuable resource. For example, if they suspect malicious activity, they can look at the conversations and see if there's a strange port number. They can then do a Google search and determine what program uses that port and determine whether it's malicious or not. Using Wireshark can help shooter to better understand many of the common protocols used on a network today. They can then study the behavior of protocol. We will all familiar with the 4 packet exchange in the DHCP process, but if you drop it into Wireshark, we can actually see the exchange of the discover, offer, request, and acknowledge. And then we can drill down in each individual packet to see what is happening. With the proliferation and expansion of smart buildings, controls technicians who find packet analysis invaluable as they can monitor traffic used for building automation using PACnet or Loanworks. For example, we see here PACnet stack services, and in this exchange, the control technicians might bring up a flow graph, and here we can make sure that we are communicating with the correct host. The technician can then possibly follow either a UDP or TCP stream to see if the correct commands are at play. Wireshark is a free protocol analysis tool which is rich in features, and it used to examine traffic either live from a wired or wireless connection or by using pre-captured packets. We can analyze network problems, detect network misuse, perform regulatory compliance through content monitoring, the parameter and endpoint traffic. We can monitor bandwidth usage per application and processes, and we can verify endpoint security status to see if there are any unwatched protocols such as SSGP, traffic, and multicast DNS, and we can gather and report network statistics.